Well, alright, we've made it here. I feel like the trip's been all day. See what time it is. It is actually 4:20, so yeah, most of the day is gone, so alright, let's see what else we can get into before nighttime hits. Yeah, it looks like it's okay if we stay here,
It
so.
says no overnight parking over there, but Steve said.
But yeah, they called, so we can go in the store and confirm to make sure. I mean, just go ask real quick.
I said how many nights? She goes, however many, you know.
Right.
So.
But we should probably just go check just to be okay.
Okay, you want to?
Yeah.
Hello. What y'all doing?
Well, we were reading the sign.
Yeah. Did you see the signs?
It said no overnight. Yeah, I know, but he called.
Okay.
So and he's gonna go back inside and he's gonna go inside and confirm.
That person looks like they're definitely staying for the night right there, right?
Where? Oh yeah, their truck is not even like hooked to their thing. I think it's probably good here, but they're gonna go double check and make sure it's okay.
I'm just trying to let the engine, the turbo cool down and everything.
Okay, cool.
Oh, yep. Good spot.
So they have doggy kennels here at Cabela's, so that way your dog doesn't have to stay in a hot car, which I think is pretty cool. You can also lock it up if you want to. Do you want to be our test rat? We can lock you up in the cage and see how it goes. All right, go ahead, get in there.
He put himself in there, didn't he?
He sure did. Very good.
Turkey.
How does it feel in there? Does it feel roomy and spacious? Well, see if you can run around a couple times in there and see you can get your exercise and everything. You got to give us a bark.
Bark. Woof woof.
That's all you got?
Sweet.
I want to hear a real good bark. Good job, sir.
Let brother and sister go.
Now they're gonna try it out. Oh my God, he's gonna trip me. Hold on.
Go.
All right, go. Oh, look at Banjo was like, okay, I'm good. I'm in
He
here.
likes to explore things.
Oh.
Come on, honey. She's confused. Come here, baby girl. It's okay. She's like, what is that? Now, mommy will come in here.
Okay, now we're gonna lock her in there.
There we go.
Where's the lock? We need the lock.
Lots of room.
Is there lots of room?
Yeah, lots of room for our whole
Oh, look at them.
family.
They look cute in there.
Yeah.
They feel comfy.
Yeah, it's nice and cool out.
Windy,
If
yeah.
I was ever trapped in this, my way to get out is climb.
Yeah.
Right, well, dogs can't climb, so.
Do you think a dog could climb out of this? A big dog? No.
Wonderful, Moo-moo, wonderful. What is?
It says Nashville, Tennessee on the back, and I'm just wondering if it's a country band.
Could be.
Traveling band.
Traveling.
So if you're interested in Costco, I got a Costco card. They're like $5.
So do you want to go?
Yeah, I don't know.
Like here in 5 or 10 minutes?
Sure, I'm going to clear out my van, and then I can take 2 or 3 if you want to share on the bed.
Do you need anything from Costco?
Costco's just fun to go look at.
Yeah, I want to go look and see what.
They sometimes they only mark up 14% on anything they buy.
We're gonna go eat. Have fun with you.
Oh, Costco has those foot-long hot dogs that you put on Swiss relish and a drink for $1.50, and they've got really good turkey pastrami sandwiches. Oh my God!
All right, you ready? Since we're in a larger city, we've come to Costco and we're gonna see what they have to offer, do a little shopping. So, yep, let's go inside. Oh, hello, Panda.
It's on the back.
What? Oh, that's so cute, all the small pandas.
Panda sport characters.
This is the camera that I want from Canon. It is $1,250, but it's the 80D. But I just saw this one right next to it. It's the Nikon. This one is $1,600. But this one shoots in 4K. Oh my God. That's awesome. And the ISO goes from 100 all the way to 51,000. Since my kayak debacle, I'm actually thinking about getting a hard-shelled kayak. I don't know, we'll see. $300 is pretty expensive.
Pricey.
They do have a blow-up paddleboard. That's awesome looking. Best Buy. Okay, so they don't have it. This is the Mavic, but there's a new one out by DJI that is called the Air, I believe. And it's smaller than this one, which is awesome. But they don't carry it and don't know when they're going to be carrying it. So, dang it. That's unfortunate. This is the one I have, and I don't mind it. And I really do like this drone, but it is actually just kind of big and bulky. So if I'm shooting from my rig, it's okay because I can just store it in my rig. But if I want to go backpacking or go somewhere to a different site, carrying that is a problem. Huh? Girl, I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to get your own booze out of this. You can get your booze out of this.
I don't mind so much, but then my stomach's not that far behind.
So what is that?
It's a Scottish ale, an amber Scottish ale. I
Right.
like the amber box, but this is what they have on tap right now.
Okay, cool. Tell me how it tastes.
This jump shot from Ty's now was called a two-pointer on the
Is it good?
Refreshing and light.
Oh my goodness. That looks good. Can I get some mayonnaise for the fries?
There's mayonnaise already on there. Do you need some extra?
No, for the fries, yeah.
$5?
Yeah, I know, $5. Look at that, that's amazing.
And he threw in the fries
Yeah,
for free.
the fries weren't included, but he gave it to, that's really cool. Awesome. Looks good, yours looks good too.
Yeah, well, it's the same. Should look good.
So this is, they're just sliders, but they are look nice and juicy. There's a teriyaki sauce.
And pineapple, grilled pineapple.
Oh yeah, then they do have grilled pineapple. That's so good.
You got the lips of sin. They used to captivate me. Your words, they pierced my skin. You always knew how to make me crazy. We started classic, we ended tragic. You wore me down, wore me down. All that tension from small offenses just wrung me out, wrung me out. I think we got lost in white noise. Lost in white
Get her, get her, get her! You gotta chase her! Get her, get her! Throw it! Are you tired already?
Yeah. Chasing a dog that's faster than me.
Good job! Throw it! Hey, Mary, come here!
Aww, she got a nibble on it.
But I would like more and more of those. More and more of those. I love them.
Yeah. I didn't like have it.
Never going back to black. Remember how you used to treat me? I ain't gonna play like that. And darling, you can keep me. We started classic, we ended tragic. You wore me down. All the tension from small offenses, you wrung me out. I think we got lost in white noise. Lost in white noise.
Where are we moving?
To the casino.
Right now? Right now? Hello.
Panda, alright, we are packing up because we are going to be heading to the casino. And we just want to go there. We're allowed to stay here a couple days, but it's Cabela's, and you know, what exactly is there to do? Cabela's, you can only go in so many times. There should be a little bit more at the casino, plus there's restaurants and stuff. So yeah, we're going to head over there, and then I'm not sure exactly what we're going to get into today, but I'm sure we'll find out. Alright, so we were all set and parked here at the casino. reason why we came here is because I wanted to get some stuff done. Plus Steve's gonna do some work while he's here. And yeah, we're just gonna enjoy Phoenix for a little bit and then we're gonna move on. A subscriber gave Moo-moo this cow, but she never plays with it, and I hate that it just sits there and goes to waste. And Banjo loves dolls. Hey. You love. He's like, it's mine, give it to me.
He's got Moo-moo ngai. That one's called Moo-moo ngai.
Yes. There, now you can think of Moo-moo every day.
Okay, but I'm gonna have to show everybody. He has monkey ngai, he has Ellie ngai, and he got Moo-moo ngai.
Yeah. Now he has 3 dollies that he plays
He'll
with.
suck on her at night,
Aw.
all night.
Yeah, that
falsely.
sounds weird.
He will. He'll suck on it. Probably he's gonna
He
find
just
a
like
spot.
nibbles on the head.
No, he just takes it and sucks it until he falls asleep.
Aww.
See, it'll be all nasty the next time you see it. Trust me. He's getting his spot right now. He's
Well,
finding
enjoy,
his-
Banjo.
Oh gosh, he's finding his special spot.
30 miles.